WooCredit Pro gives you flexibility when it comes to displaying your customer's credit balance. Provided your customer is logged in and has credit, then their credit balance will always be displayed on the My Account page. However, you can also use the following shortcode to display their credit balance on any page on your site. This could be in the header or sidebar, so they always have a visual reminder of their available credits. You can quickly view all users' credit balances from the default WooCommerce users list. To view members with the most credits, simply click on the column header and it will reorder the users. To update each user's credit balance, you simply edit their profile and look for the entry box titled FastCredit. From here, you can enter a new value or change the existing one. The new credit amount will be immediately available and will be displayed to the customer on the front end of your WordPress site. Get WooCredit Pro now at fastflow.io/FWC Pro.